Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the kidney, what exactly it has got. The questions concerning to the kidneys will be raised in examinations. We have initially how you can see the exactly the shape of the bean that looks like in the shape of bean. So what exactly the parts we have in the kidney, you can directly go through whatever has been given. So there are few points we have to remember for the examinations regarding kidney. So what is the functional unit of the kidney is, that is nephron. As you can see to the right how exactly it performs, so how exactly it purifies the blood. So it has got three functional units. One is glomerular filtration, tabular reabsorption, tabular secretion. These are the three one you should remember. What is, as you can see to the right, so what exactly glomerular filtration of water and solutes from the blood. So here it is given as per the figure. You can directly go through glomerular, tabular and water conservation. It removes water from the urine and returns it to blood concentrates wastes. So these are the main intention. What exactly the tabular reabsorption does of water and conserved molecules back into the blood. In the case of tabular secretion of ions and other waste products from surrounding capillaries into the distal tabule. So here these are the few questions which are which may be asked in examinations. So please go through exactly whatever has been given. So kidney stones, we should know how exactly it is hampered. If you have the stones in your kidney, what exactly the surgery is required. As you can see to the right how the kidney stones looks alike. Excess wastes crystallize as kidney stone. So whatever the waste we have, it directly get crystallized into the stone. What exactly the surgery is required for that is ultrasonic treatment is mandatory for the curing of this type of kidney stones. I request you guys to go through my playlist. You will find 800 plus question papers. I am damn sure you will like this channel, and I request you guys to go through whatever the question papers have been given. What exactly the function of the kidney is? It maintains the volume and ionic balance of extracellular fluid. So how the main function of the kidney is, it maintains volume and ionic balance of extracellular fluid and maintains the potential of hydrogen. As you are aware that pH value and osmotic concentration of the extracellular fluid. So pH values of osmotic concentration of the extracellular fluid is maintained. And next we have it excrete toxic metabolic byproducts such as urea, ammonia and uric acid. These are all few things which are to be remembered. It also excrete toxic metabolic byproducts such as urea and ammonia and uric acids. Okay, next we have the fascinating filters. As we are aware that fascinating filters which are very important. So excessive eating gets caused polyphagia. So during, if you have the more consumption of food, then you will have this kind of problem. And excessive drinking also polydipsia problem will be occurred, and too much of urine, that is polyuria, are the three cardinal symptoms of diabetes. So these are the three, that is polyphagia, polydipsia and polyuria are the three cardinal symptoms of diabetes. The hypothesis produces a chemical substances called antidiuretic hormone. So what exactly it is? The hypothesis produces a chemical substance that is known as antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH. Next we have the adrenaline glands. As you are aware that the location of the adrenaline glands, it is on the kidneys. I will show it in next slide. And it maintains the regulating salt in the body and is located in an organ lying just over the kidney. As soon as the salt, that is sodium concentration, become just a little less than normal, it releases into the bloodstream a substance called aldosterone. You should know exactly what the substance is released in the bloodstream, that is aldosterone is released. So you should know all these questions which may be asked. So please go through this, whatever aldosterones. Next we have the renal transplantation, that is also known as dialysis. When it is occurred, when there is a malfunction in your kidneys function, then you will have to replace, that is renal transplantation or dialysis, that is artificial kidney. As you can see how it is looks like. So you have to place over that renal transplantation has to be done. So these are the supportive measure when the damage to kidney reaches a certain point. If your kidney is fully non-operational, then the damage is more, then you have to do this renal transplantation or dialysis. I request you people to call me on 7667302252 or message me on WhatsApp. You will be given 2100 questions for the benefit of you people in the case of GK and GS examination questions. Hormone control of water and salt. So here how exactly the hormones is controlled. The water reabsorption is controlled by the anti-diuretic hormone in negative feedback. So water reabsorption is controlled by what? ADH, that is anti-diuretic hormone. That ADH is released from the pituitary gland in the brain. So whatever the anti-diuretic hormone is released from the pituitary gland in the brain, dropping levels of fluid in the blood signal the hypothalamus to cause the pituitary to release ADH into the blood. ADH acts to increase water absorption in the kidneys. So here anti-diuretic hormone which acts to increase water absorption in the kidneys, as you can see down below. So I hope all this will be helpful for you. So if you have any kind of queries, please let me know, and I am requesting you guys to go through whatever the topic has been given in the playlist. Please share it to maximum people. Have a good day. Have a great life.